Hello students, good day. Hello Primary 5 students. This is Master George, your math teacher. Okay, are you ready? We're going to continue our lesson part B. Round the following numbers to the nearest 100 and estimate its value. Okay, this is page 12. Okay, if you are finished for this, you can move to the next exercise. This is letter B. Round the following numbers to the nearest 100 and estimate its value. Okay, nearest 100. For number 1, the nearest 100 for 636 plus 536 is 100. 600 plus 536, the nearest 100 is 500 because 350, 536. And then you add the number 600 plus 500, the answer is 1100. Students, next is number 2. Number 2 is 4256 plus 274. The nearest 100 for 4256 is 4300. Okay? 256. And the next number is 274. The nearest 100 is 300. Then you add. Okay? 4300 plus 300. The answer is 4600. Students, next is number 3. 2743 plus 2366. The nearest 100 is, for this number, 2700. For 2366, the nearest 100 is 2400. You add 2700 plus 2400, its value is 5100. Correct, students? Very good. Now, let's move to number 4. Number 4 is 754 minus 533. 754, you round this number to the nearest 100 is 800. For 533, the nearest 100 is 500. Then you add 800 minus 500, the answer is 300. Students, next is number 5. Number 5 is 6357 minus 424. You round this number to the nearest 100 is 6400. For 424, you round this to the nearest 100 is only 400. 6400 minus 400, the answer is 6000. Next is number 6. Number 6 is 8,536 minus 6,347. 6,347. The nearest hundred for 8,536 is 8,500. And for 6,347, the nearest hundred is 6,300. And then subtract is minus 8,500 minus 6,300. Its value is 2,200. Okay, students, please check your answer for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, this is page 12. Next is page 12. It's saying, this is page 12. Letter C. Estimate the value. Okay, this is part C. Estimate the value. And before you get the value, you round the number first. Okay, round off the number. 48. Okay, number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, first number 1. 48 times 8. 48, you round the number 2. The nearest 10 is 50. Okay, 50, the nearest 10 is 50. And then times 8. 50 times 8. The answer is 400. Okay, approximately side. Number 2. Number 2 is 25 times 7. Okay, the value is, here is 25. You round the number to the nearest 10, you get 30. Okay, 30 times 7. 30 times 7, you have 210. Correct, students? Very good. Next is number 3. Number 3 is your 301 minus 9. You round this to the nearest 10. The nearest 10 is 300. And then minus 9. Okay, 300 minus 9, you have 291. Students, correct? Okay, number 4. For number 4, you have 697 minus 88. We round off to the nearest 10. You have 700. Minus 88, round off to the nearest 10. You have 90. Now 700 minus 90, you have 610. Students, check your answer from number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, very good. Now let's move to the last number, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Students, for number 5, you have 118. Okay, divided by 4. You round this to the nearest 10. You have 120. And then divided by 4. 120 divided by 4. The answer is 30. Correct, students? Okay. Number 6. Number 6, you have 324 divided by 5. You round this number to the nearest 10. You have 320. Okay, students? And then divided by 5, 320, you get 64. Correct, students? Okay. The next number here is number 7. 463 plus 93 plus 551. You round these to the nearest 10. 463, you have 460. 93, you have 90 to the nearest 10. 551, the nearest 10 is 550. Then you add 460 plus 90 plus 550. The answer is 1100. Students, okay, next is number 8, the last number. The last number is number 8. 876 plus 121 plus 43. You round this to the nearest 10. 876, you have 880. 121, the nearest 10 is 120. And then 43, you have the nearest 10 is 40. You add 880 plus 120, you have plus 40, you have 1040. Students, okay, check your answer from number 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you are finished, okay, very good, students. That's all for today. See you next week, students. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, students. See you next week.